Hello everyone, I hope you all are keeping good health. Today we will start with exercise 11.3, question number 2. Which of the following are expressions with numbers only? So we will consider here the expression which has numbers only. It should not have any variable. Here y is a variable, so we will not consider this one. In next one, z is a variable. Again, we will not consider this. In the next one, there is no variable. So, yes, we will consider this expression. In the next, it's 5 only, and this is an expression which has no variable. So, again, we can consider this one. In the next one, there is a variable x. So, we will say no. Again, there is a variable n. So, again, we will not consider this. Here there is a variable p, so again we will not consider this. Finally, we can summarize it as C and D are expressions with numbers only. Moving to question number 3, identify the operation used in forming the expression. So here we are supposed to find which operation we are using here to form the given expression. The operation can be addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Here there are 4 expressions given to you. First one we are adding, so addition. Second one it's a subtraction. Again third one is addition. Fourth is a subtraction. Moving to second. Here it's given constant with a variable. Between them there is no sign. No sign means multiplication. Now slash or upon means division. Again no sign between a constant and a variable, so it's a multiplication. Now there are 2 expressions. Now 2y plus 17. So 2y, first term you will get by multiplying 2 to a variable y. So in the first term we are multiplying and then we are adding 17 to it. To final it's multiplication and addition. In the next expression we are first multiplying and then subtracting 17 from it. So it's multiplication and subtraction. Now there are 3 expressions. First one is 7m, which means multiplying a constant with variable. No sign means multiplication. In the next one, we are multiplying minus 7 to m, a negative integer to m, and then adding 3 to it. So it's multiplication and addition. Yes, next one again, we are first multiplying a negative integer to m and then subtracting 3 from it. So it's multiplication and subtraction. Moving to question number 4. Give expressions for the following cases. Number 1. It's 7 added to p. 2 means p is already there and we are adding 7 to it. We cannot write it as 7 plus p. As per case, it will be wrong. Next is 7 subtracted from p. From means again first p is already there and we are subtracting 7 from it. Next, p multiplied by 7. Again p is already there and we are multiplying p by 7. As I already told you, no sign means multiplication sign. And whenever we are multiplying a variable with a constant, constant will come in the first place and then we are supposed to write the variable. So finally we will write it as 7p. Next is p divided by 7. P is already there and we are dividing p by 7. Next, 7 subtracted from minus m. Again, word from means minus m is there and we are subtracting 7 from it. Minus p multiplied by 5. Now, here there is a minus sign also. So if the sign is also there, so first place will be of sign, then constant, and then variable after multiplication. So finally, after multiplying this minus p to 5, you will get the answer as minus 5p. First the sign, then the constant, and then the variable. Moving to question number 5. Again, we have to do the same. We have to write expression for the cases given to you. The first one is 11 add 2 to m. Again, 2 is given. So we have to write 2m first and then we will add 11 to it. Next is 11 subtracted from 2m. Again, a word from is there. So first you will write 2m and then you will subtract 11 from it. It's 5 times y, to which 3 is added. 5 times y means, times means multiplication. We can finally write it as 5y, constant in the first place, then the variable, to which it means we are adding something to it here, and that is 3. Next, y is multiplied by 5. So first we have to multiply y by 5 and then the result is subtracted from 16. So we have to write 16 in the first place. So first case is y multiplied by 5. So we will write it as 5y. Next, whatever result you are getting here, you have to subtract it from 16. So this you have to shift it and 16 will come in the first place. Again, y is multiplied by minus 5 and the result is added to 16. So first we will multiply y by minus 5. You will write it as minus 5y. As it's negative, we are using bracket here. Result is added to. Added to means 16 is already present. We are adding minus 5y to it. That's all in your exercise 11.3. Moving to exercise 11.4. Again, situations are given to you and we have to frame our expression. First, take Sarita's present age to be y years. So, wherever we are talking about Sarita's age, we will replace it by y. What will be her age 5 years from now? It means 5 years after. So, you will get y plus 5. What was her age 3 years back? 3 years back means we have to subtract 3 from the year given to you. Next, Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. 6 times means multiply. What is the age of her grandfather? So grandfather's age will be 6 of y, that is 6y. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. What is a grandmother's age? So grandfather is 6y and grandmother is 2 years younger. So finally we will have 6y minus 2. Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. What is a father's age? First, it's given 3 times Sarita's age. So you will write 3y and then 5 years more, it means plus 5. Next. The length of a rectangular hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. What is the length? If the breadth is b meter. So first, breadth is given to you as b. We have to write length, which is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth. So 3 times breadth means 3b. 4 meter less means minus 4. Next, a rectangular box has height h centimeter. Its length is 5 times the height and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Express the length and the breadth of the box in terms of the height. Box has height of h centimeter, so we will write height as h centimeter. Next, length is 5 times the height. So length of the rectangular box is 5h because it is 5 times the height. And the breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Now what is length here? Length is 5h and breadth is 10 centimeter less of length. So length is 5h here. Meena, Beena and Leena are climbing the steps to the hilltop. Meena is at step S, Beena is 8 steps ahead and Leena 7 steps behind. Where are Beena and Meena? The total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. Express the total number of steps using S. So Meena is at step S. Meena's step number is S. Beena is 8 steps ahead, means we have to add 8 to Meena's step to get Beena's step number. Whereas Leena is 7 steps behind. Behind means minus 7 of what? Of Meena, that is S. Now we are supposed to find total number of steps to the hilltop. It's 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. 10 less means minus 10. 4 times Meena reached means 4s. This is the final answer. Moving to E. A bus travels at v km per hour. It is going from Daspur to Bispur. After the bus has travelled 5 hours, Bispur is still 20 km away. What is the distance from Daspur to Bispur? Express it using V. So, here it's given in 1 hour, the distance covered by the bus will be V. So, in 2 hours, it will be 2V. In 3 hours, it will be 3V. Similarly, in 5 hours, it will cover a distance of 5V. But still, after covering this much distance, 20 kilometers is still left. So, finally, the total distance will be 5V plus 20. I hope all the expressions are clear to you. Thank you everyone. God bless you all.